Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a weekend woodworker, or someone who just loves having a dedicated space for your hobbies, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular trends in home building, barndominiums with built-in shops and garages. We're going to explore why these designs are taking the world by storm and show you some of the most versatile and practical floor plans out there. By the end of this video, you lines have all the inspiration you need to design a space that perfectly combines your home life with your passion projects, all under one roof. So, grab a coffee, and let's get building. So, what's all the hype about? Why are so many people choosing barndos that integrate a workshop or a massive garage? The number one reason is the incredible live-work convenience. Imagine being able to walk from your kitchen straight into your fully equipped workshop to work on your latest project without ever stepping outside. No more commuting to a separate rented space or trying to cram your tools into a tiny corner of the garage. It's all right there. Another huge benefit is the sheer amount of storage space. We're not just talking about parking your car. We're talking about dedicated areas for your tools, large equipment, RVs, boats, or materials for your hobbies. This flexibility is a game changer for so many people. Whether you're a small business owner, running an Etsy shop from home, a mechanic who loves restoring classic cars, or a craftsperson who needs room to create, these designs provide the ultimate functional space to support your lifestyle and your work. It's about having a home that truly works for you. Now, let's break down the key design features that make these floor plans so effective. The heart of these designs, of course, is the integrated garage and workshop. This isn't just an afterthought, it's a core part of the structure. You'll see options ranging from a standard to-car garage with an extra bay for a workshop, all the way up to massive, multi-bay setups designed for serious projects. Inside the living quarters, open concept layouts are king. This approach makes the home feel spacious and airy, and it's an incredibly efficient use of square footage. This seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas is a signature of modern barndo living. Many plans also include an optional loft or a mezzanine level. This is a brilliant feature that can serve as an office, an extra guest room, or simply more storage space, maximizing the vertical height of the barndo. In the shop area, the design focuses on practicality. You'll find features like extra-wide roll-up doors to move large items in and out, high ceilings to accommodate lifts or tall equipment, and durable flooring like sealed concrete that can handle spills and heavy use. It's all about creating a robust, functional workspace that's built to last. Alright, let's get to the good stuff, the floor plans. I've picked out a few examples to show you the amazing variety available. First up is a classic for a reason, a cozy 1,500 to 1,800 square foot home, attached to a two-car garage plus a dedicated workshop bay. This layout is perfect for a family that needs everyday vehicle storage, but also wants a separate, protected space for projects. The living area is comfortable and distinct, but the workshop is just a few steps away. Next, for those who need a bit more room, consider a 2,000 square foot barndo with an attached three-car garage. What makes this plan special is the addition of loft storage above the garage. This is a fantastic way to keep seasonal items, supplies, or less frequently used tools out of the way, freeing up your main floor. What if you're a single person, or a couple with a passion project, or a small business? Our third example is a studio-style open floor plan with a small but mighty shop attached. It's a minimalist approach that maximizes efficiency, blending your living and creative spaces in a really cool, industrial chic way. It's perfect for artists, designers, or anyone running a small online business. Finally, let's look at a compact barndo with a side-load workshop. This design is great for smaller lots. By placing the workshop entrance on the side, you maintain a clean, traditional home-like facade from the front, while still having easy access to your workspace. This is an awesome setup for weekend warriors and serious dyers who want function without compromising on curb appeal. One of the biggest draws of barndominiums, especially for this crowd, is how DIY-friendly they are. The construction process itself can be much more accessible than traditional home building. For instance, many companies offer prefab kits specifically for the shop and garage portions. These kits come with pre-cut, pre-drilled steel frames that bolt together relatively easily, which can dramatically reduce construction time and labor costs. Once the shell is up, the open layouts make the interior work much more straightforward. With fewer interior load-bearing walls to worry about, running electrical, plumbing, and HVAC is simpler. You have a blank canvas to work with. This also means you have total freedom when it comes to organizing your workshop. You can build custom workbenches, install floor-to-ceiling shelving for your tool collection, and create a storage system that's perfectly tailored to your workflow. The possibilities are truly endless. Building a home and a workshop at the same time can be a big investment. So let's talk about some smart ways to save money without cutting corners. One of the most popular strategies is to phase your build. You can build the entire shell of the barndominium, including the shop and garage space, and then finish the workshop area first. This allows you to move in your tools and equipment, and even have a functional space to work from while you finish the living areas at your own pace, as your budget allows. Material choice is also key. Using a steel frame and a simple concrete slab floor for the entire structure is often the most cost-effective route. These materials are incredibly durable, low maintenance, and go up quickly. For the interior, think about repurposing materials. Old pallet wood can be used to create an amazing accent wall, salvaged cabinets can be refinished for the kitchen or shop, and you can often find great deals on reclaimed lumber for shelving and workbenches. Getting creative with your materials not only saves money, but also adds unique character to your home. Let's talk about style. The design trends for barndos with shops are all about blending rustic charm with industrial function. One of the most popular looks is the modern farmhouse exterior. Think classic board and batten siding, a gabled roof, and maybe a welcoming front porch. This is then combined with a more industrial style for the shop, featuring metal siding and large roll-up doors. It's the perfect marriage of cozy and practical. Inside, minimalist interiors are trending. These spaces emphasize clean lines, neutral color palettes, and smart, functional storage solutions. Think multipurpose furniture and built-ins that keep clutter at bay. A signature feature you'll see a lot is the use of large sliding barn doors. They are a fantastic way to separate the workshop from the living areas. You can close them off to contain noise and dust when you're working, or slide them open to create a seamless flow between the two zones when you're entertaining. It's a stylish and incredibly practical design element. It's always helpful to see how these ideas play out in the real world, so let's look at some inspiration. Picture this: a family built a beautiful two-story barndo. The ground floor is a massive workshop where the dad restores vintage motorcycles. Upstairs, a wraparound mezzanine holds a home office and a cozy living area overlooking the shop below. It's a perfect blend of work, life, and passion. Then there's the story of a baker who designed a barndo with a smaller, climate-controlled shop that she converted into a commercial-grade kitchen. Her living space is a simple, elegant apartment on the other side of the wall. She can literally roll out of bed and be at work in seconds, all while living in a home she designed herself. We also see countless hobbyists who have created their dream spaces, from woodworkers with dust collection systems integrated into the walls, to gardeners with a greenhouse section built right into their shop. These real-life examples show that with a barndominium, you aren't just building a house. You're building a headquarters for your life and your passions. So there you have it, a deep dive into the world of barndominiums with shops and garages. As you can see, the versatility and practicality of these homes are unmatched, especially for anyone with a DIY spirit. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a weekend hobbyist, or just someone who needs more space for your life's adventures, there's a barndo plan out there that can be customized to fit your exact needs. It's about creating a space that works as hard as you do. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this gave you some great ideas and inspiration for your own future build. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more barndominium design ideas, floor plan breakdowns, and building tips, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.